Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today I'll be making a pumpkin and walnut loaf. So let's start baking. These are the ingredients to the pumpkin and walnut loaf. You'll need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of pumpkin puree, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of crushed walnuts, half a cup or 1 stick of butter at room temperature, 2 eggs at room temperature, 9 grams of vanilla sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of cardamom. And this is how your pumpkin and walnut loaf should look like. Enjoy it with some chai. It's pumpkin season and enjoy. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. And don't forget to visit my website at AssyrianDishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking everyone!